Hello friends, today we are discussing about the Bajaj Finance Limited stocks, how it is stocks last 5 years, how it is performed, what is the future in these stocks, can we invest in this, how much strong this is stocks, and what and all the strong strength here so we can invest. Let us discuss, because as we have the data, this is a very strong stock, so we can invest. Last 5 years it is performed very well, now also it will performing well. Future also we will see here how it is performing. About Bajaj Finance is a mainly engaged in the business of lending. BFL has a diversified lending portfolio across retail, SME, and commercial customers with a significant presence in urban and rural India. It is also accepts public and corporates deposits and offers variety of financial services product to its customers. So they are in lending services. Bajaj Finance Limited market cap 4,48,398 crore, current price 7,429, high 7,680, low 3,007. Stock P 101, which is high, book value 612, which is low. We should not be this much, because current price it is 7,429, which is not as compared to book value it is very expensive. Dividend yield 0.13%, ROC 9.39%, ROE 12.8%, face value to PG ratio 3.57, which is high because PG should be less than 1. But we can see the fundamentally how the companies grow. We can say see the price it is today. We can see here 74442.45. We can see here. 7428.80 price is today. It is trading for that rate. P is high. Sales margin, if you can see, sales margin is 6741.91, GPM 100%, OPM 54.99%, net profit margin 14.87. So these are the sales and margins. Now Pros company has delivered good profit growth of 28.80% CAGR, so which is the profit growth is very high, 28.18% CAGR over last 5 years, and Con stocks is trading at 12.15 times its book value, so which is not good. Company has low interest coverage ratio. So peer comparison we can do with the Bajaj Finserv, SBI Cards, HDFC EMC. Quarterly result we can see here. We can see here net profit 1002 as June 2021, March 2021 it is 1347, which is bit reduced because due to some COVID conditions it is bit down. If you see all the stocks, there is some effect in December 2021. So December 2020 and we can see in June 2021 there might be some of the differences because due to some first hit of COVID, second hit of COVID. So gross earning price per share, earning price per share 22.35, 16.61. Gross NPA 1.79, 2.96, net NPA 0.75, 1.46. Profit and loss account, we can see net profit here 4420 March 2021, TTM 4460, total trailing period, total 12 months 4460, which is compared to March 2020 it is bit reduced, but not an issue. Due to some of the issues it will be down up, but still we can believe in this stock. The stock is good. Compounded sales ratio, dividend payout ratio is 14%, which is compared to all other years it is good. So compounded sales growth, TTM it is -2%, 3 years 28%, 5 years 30%. Compounded profit growth 10 years, 5 years 28%, 3 years 21%, TTM -11%. Stock price CAGR 1 year 114%. Return on equity last year 13%, 3 years 17%, 5 years 18%. So cash flow, net cash flow 517 crores. Last March 2020 998 crores. So we can see the ratios here 13%. Shareholding pattern, we can see promoters here 56.03 March 2021, June 2021 56.12 in March 2021, and June 56.03. FIIs 24 point, foreigners 24.06, 24.03, bit reduced in 0.3. In domestic 9.08, and in June 2021 9.33, which is increased. Public 10.57, now 10.40, which is minutely reduced. Others 0.17 and 0.21 in June 2021. That is minorly it is increased. So let us see the technical way. If you see the maximum 5 months, the growth is high, there is no down. So we can see last 5 years the growth is all time. Maximum growth is like 129 129,922.61%, which is very high, 7470.55. So 5 years growth we can see a 5563.68%. 1 year growth we can see a 124.50%, and yet to date it is 41.59%. 6 month it is a 38.72%. so it shows very awesome growth whatever the past 5 years. So let's come to the technically. Today it is I applied for 45 minutes. Let us see for we can go with 1 month. So you can see here the breakups, moving average, it is a upward trend. Even MACD also upward. You can see here it is crossed and going up. So these are upward trends. So here we can see the stock is trading for 7,442.45%, which is 0.18% high. So last 52 months, 52 week range 769 3006.92 7679.95. So this is the growth. So now you can see profit margin in 2017 19.67, profit margin in 2018 21.70, profit margin in 2019 19.95, profit margin in 2020 16.57. The growth rate is high. We can see now here, we can see today it is coming down. It is at live trade, it came minus 0.04%, which is very minute. If you have huge amount invested, it will affect it. So totally last here we said totally yearly the growth is 123.49 total year growth, and within 1 month 11.73. so it shows technically you can buy. So overall the company looks strong fundamentally also and as well as technically. So last 5 years it is performed very well, so I think it will perform in future well. If you are going to invest, again you do your own analysis and invest on your own risk. So as I felt this is a very good stock for investment or SIP. So this is it guys. If you have any doubt, queries, or if you want any analysis, you can keep your message in the comment box, so I'll come with the new videos. And thanks for watching the video. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.